In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deactivate your account on BlueSky. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up BlueSky app on your smartphone device. Then from here, you need to go up to the left-hand corner on the three hamburgers. Then from here, you need to go down to settings. And then you need to scroll down until you see deactivate my account. And if you click on that, you can simply see your profile post, feeds, and list will no longer be visible to other BlueSky users. And you can reactivate your account at any time by logging in. As you can see here, there's no limit for account deactivation, and if you're trying to change your handle or username, you can do it before you deactivate. But then from here, you simply need to click yes, deactivate, and then the account will log you out, and then you need to log back in to reactivate your account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!